Tonight's menu is baked ziti. Cook ziti noodles as instructed on the box. I use about half the box in order to get about 4 cups cooked. I'm now going to take 1 jar of spaghetti sauce, 48 ounces, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of dried Italian herb seasoning. I'm going to put this over low heat just until it gets heated through. Back over to my noodles, just checking on them. Make sure to stir occasionally. They will definitely stick to the bottom. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to mix our cheese. The preferred is 16 ounces of ricotta, but you will see I'm using cream cheese in mine. And then you're going to mix it with 1 egg. After you get it mixed well, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon dried parsley flakes and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix this up really well. I do want to thank you for watching our channel, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, please feel free to. We are continuously adding new videos weekly. Set this aside and then turn back to your noodles. We're going to drain our noodles. After drained, I just transfer them back to the same pan just to save on an extra dish. Now add about half your spaghetti sauce, reserving the other half. Mix this well. Now grab a 9x13 or a casserole dish of your preference. I prefer this one because my kids bought it for me. I absolutely love it. We're going to place half the sauce in the dish. For this recipe, we're going to use about 3 cups mozzarella cheese, of course the shredded. And for this layer, I'm going to use about 1 cup and reserving the rest. Moving back to the cheese mixture, we're going to take it and we're going to pour it over the top of this and smooth it out. It is hard to smooth out just because I used the cream cheese instead of the ricotta cheese. And that was only because of a preference of one of my family members. So now we're getting this all combined and together. So we're going to take our noodles, use the remaining amount, top the 9x13 pan, and we're just making our layers. So we're going to smooth this out really well. And as you'll recall, we have about half our sauce mixture left over. I like to top it all off with the sauce. An optional ingredient to this would be 1 pound of ground beef or ground turkey. Now, of course, we're going to use the remaining of our cheese, about 2 cups, and we're going to top it all and make this beautiful casserole. Now we're going to bake this at 350 for about 55 minutes. This is another great one-dish meal. I actually served with bread and this beautiful salad. Enjoy!